Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to show you how to model a chocolate bar in Blender. A chocolate bar Cadbury, a Dairy Milk Cadbury chocolate bar. So let's start. I'm not going to fast forward this video because this is very simple model. Anyone can model this. First take a cube and scale it little bit like this. Okay. Now select the edge and add 5 edge loop tools. Here also add one edge loop tool. Now select all these upper faces, insert the faces, then extrude it, and here select individual origin and scale it. We have something like this. This is very easy model, so I'm not going to fast forward this video. Then add a bevel modifier. Okay, wait. Here first extrude is like this, and then again extrude it. Let's see this time it is working or not, and then scale it. Then give any color will you like. I'm going to give chocolate color, a dark brown color. So this is how you can make a chocolate bar. I have made in 3 minutes. So this is very easy model. Anyone can model this type of chocolate bar. So this is our chocolate bar. Let me take a quick render first for our thumbnail. I'm going to give this background color, and I'm going to render this. Okay, so this is our final render for our thumbnail. I'm going to save this render in our desktop. So that's it, friend. I have made this model in 4 minutes. So this is a chocolate bar model in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.